Hi and welcome to Knitwell Motorhomes. I'm Mia and this is the 2016 plate Roller Team T-Line 590. It's a compact 4-berth, 4-travel seat coach-built motorhome that's covered just over 26,000 miles. The beauty of the T-Line 590 is that it's only 5.99 metres long, which means it's great to get about in, and should mean you shouldn't have any difficulty parking in the places you want. Not only a great looking motorhome, but it's also well spec'd with a 2.3 litre Fiat Ducato engine, 6-speed manual gearbox, a solar panel up on the roof, and I can't forget to mention the onboard Wi-Fi. Right, let's take a look around the motorhome. First of all, we have your grey cab, which works perfectly as a two-tone with the white. We have your alloy wheels just down there, your flue for your heating, your water fill just in there, and your electric hookup point just there. Going around to the back, we have your bike rack here and your reversing camera just up there. And your cassette toilet. We have a huge storage area just in here which can be accessed from the inside. As you can see at the top, we've got your awning and your awning light. Your gas locker just here. And right, let's go take a look inside. In the cab, we have a 12-volt and a USB charging point, a Bluetooth media centre, cab air conditioning, built-in cab lines, cruise control, and 2 large cup holders for those 2 large cups of coffees, which are great for long journeys. The T-Line 590 is a very comfortable 2-berth motorhome with 4-berth capabilities, which is great if you decide to take the children or grandchildren away with you. The captain seats both swivel. This gives you a really spacious lounge area, which is great for entertaining. The table also moves in all directions, again maximising the space. This table then drops down to make the second double bed. The 590 has an electric drop-down bed. As you can see, if you press the button here, the bed will drop down from the roof. This bed will also drop all the way down if you remove the cushions underneath and drop the table. This is a great way of getting a fixed bed comfort without extending the footprint of the motorhome, meaning you're keeping it under 6 metres. In your kitchen, we have your oven grill, just here, your 3 gas burner hobs, more storage up here, your tap and sink, and again more storage in here, and these actually pull out. Then around here we have your 3-way fridge and a separate freezer compartment in here. And again, more storage. And your Wi-Fi just over there. Here we have your 12-volt control panel, TV preparation, and we also have a control panel for your Truma heating system, which is combined gas and electric unit. In the bathroom, we have a separate shower, wash basin, and cassette toilet. On this side, we have a wardrobe, and this cupboard gives us access to the outside storage, which has shelves built in. However, if you don't need all the storage, these can be dropped to give you more space for clothes, towels, or anything else you'd like to store here. This is a great motorhome for couples who like plenty of space and may occasionally want to take others with them. It can also be driven on a standard driving licence as it's only 3,500 kilograms. For any other information, please feel free to visit our website at knitwell.com. Hope you liked this video and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye!
Cruising down the showroom where the motorhomes shine, and it's got the stories, every spec and every line. From auto sleepers to wild axe nose and a Winesburg too. We're taking you inside 'em, making motorhome dreams come true. Knitwell Motorhomes, Co-UK. We've got guides kitchen space. There's always room for more. Sit back, press play on our YouTube highway. Where Ned and me guide you, it's your perfect getaway. Nickwell Motorhomes. Let's roll, make the world your home. Andy, Ned, and me is here. Come on and join the show. From walk-around tours to tips that help you buy, we'll find your dream motorhome. Wave goodbye to just okay. Step inside a Giotto and feel that Italian flair, or a Weinsberg Practical with comfort everywhere.